Yeah, April the wax queen, crown made of smoke. Drip game, heavy scents hit, no joke. Candles lit, the room's a kaleidoscope.
Welcome back, wax friends, and welcome to the Wax Slayer. My name's April. So today I have March's monthly whiff box here, and I must confess that the main reason why I wanted this bad boy is because there is a Scentsy Club exclusive scent in here that you can only get in the whiff box. Now I am hoping and crossing my fingers that if I love this bar, that somehow, some way, it's going to become available to maybe add to club in the future, kind of like what they did with maraschino sugar cookie. Fingers crossed that's what's going to happen, but who knows in the world of Scentsy what's going to happen. All right, let's just go ahead and dive on in. And of course, the beautiful box is here. I do like this design. I think it's a lot more elegant than the old boxes. And honestly, it's been quite a while since I've received a whiff box, so I'm quite excited. Alrighty, let's open her up. Here we go. And I do see several papers in here. Let's just go ahead and start off with that. I'm knocking stuff down off my desk, you guys, because the box is so big. It's not a Scentsy video unless you knock stuff down. I mean, that's just the way that it goes. All right, so there is a annual, I want to say spring summer, but it's not. It's the annual catalog in here. So that's kind of nice if you don't have one yet. There is also the monthly edit for March brochure. Open that up. I do really enjoy these brochures because they're pretty detailed and they just have a lot of information just in one place. So I like that. And this must be like the theme for March's whiff box. And I want to say this was kind of like a spring escape or spring break kind of a theme going on here. All right. Just start at the top. We do have some scent circles. There are 3 in here. Unfortunately, all in the same scent. Now, I kind of wish that Scentsy would like give us one of, 3 different scents, but they just, give the 3-pack. But this is in Coconut Blossoms. I am not familiar with this scent, Coconut Blossoms. This must be coming up. I think, is this like next month's scent of the month? I don't know. I think maybe it is. Let's go ahead and open one of these up though, you guys, because I need something in my car and I'll just put this one in my car. Coconut Blossoms. I hope it's a lot more coconut than it is the blossoms. All right. To me, it's very perfumey. Yeah, I do get some of the coconut, but I'm getting a lot of the blossoms and a lot of perfuminess to it. So yeah, I want to say on cold, but it's not a cold sniff, but just right off the gate, not loving it a whole lot. It's not bad, but it's just not my favorite. I prefer more like very sweet, bakery leaning coconut scents, and this is definitely more of a perfumey, floral type of coconut. Yeah, very perfumey in my opinion. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do the bars last because I'm most excited about those. We do have a fragrance flower in the scent Blue Grotto, and it has the Buttercup Bell flower with it. This is my favorite flower type. I feel like the Buttercup Bells just really absorb the oil beautifully, disperses evenly, and yeah, this is my favorite shape for the flower. Okay, we do have a room spray in Lemon Sugar Sage. I also think it would have been kind of nice to have like maybe a new scent. This one was from last year, so I think it would have been nice to have, an upcoming scent or something. But I'm going to spray it. It's been a long time since I've smelled this. Spraying it in my face. Yeah. It's nice. Not my favorite lemon. Again, I like bakery lemon scents, but this is nice, fresh, clean. I think this will be really nice in a bathroom. And I do like the new formula because the old formula was like oil-based, and man, it just got everywhere. this is water-based and it just doesn't, you know, like get on your floors and, you know, it's not slick or anything like that. All right, and then rounding everything out, we have a couple of bars here. Let's talk about this one first. Okay, this is gonna be next month, April's scent of the month. So not coconut blossoms. I'm not sure what that's coming from. Maybe that's like the next April's monthly edit or something. Okay, Mist and Magnolia. We have a pretty blue label and white colored wax. So this is Ocean Mist, Magnolia, and Driftwood. All right, now I do love Ocean Mist, salty sea air types of scents. I like Driftwood. The Magnolia can kind of go either way for me. Okay, I get a lot of that Magnolia. I definitely get a lot of floral. The bottom, I think maybe a little bit more of that Driftwood is coming out. Smells to be, I'm gonna go ahead and break this open. Smells pretty light. I would say if I'm being really generous, light medium. It's okay. It's not gonna be a club scent for me. I'm gonna probably warm this in my bathroom. I do get the Driftwood. I do get a lot of the Magnolia. The Ocean Mist, I mean, maybe, yeah. But I think I get a lot of that Magnolia. Not a bad scent, it's just not like my favorite type of scent. So if you do like those fresh leaning floral scents, then you might enjoy this one. This one might actually be in the fresh category. I'm not sure where Scentsy's gonna put it, but I would say it could either go into the fresh or the floral. Probably more fresh, but yeah. Mist and Magnolia. And then this one is the one I was just so excited for. The whole reason why I got this whiff box, and that's Sunset Drift. Okay, so this is Vanilla Orchid, Sugared Violet, and Amber. Really excited. And it is a peachy colored wax. Okay. This whole entire whiff box was worth it for this bar. This is beautiful. Oh man, why wasn't this like the scent of the month instead of Mist and Magnolia? Oh my gosh. Okay, this definitely reminds me of something Scentsy has done before. This reminds me an awful lot of Vitamin Relax from the All Is Well collection. Oh man, this is sweet and dreamy and creamy. I get a lot of vanilla. It says Vanilla Orchid. I don't get any floral. This to me is like a vanilla cashmere with a little tiny bit of like that sugared amber musky. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this one. Okay, I really hope Scentsy allows everyone to, you know, like add this to their Scentsy club like they did with maraschino sugar cookie, because I love this one. I would add this one to my club in a heartbeat. It's pretty. It's just so pretty. Sweet, girly, feminine. Smells to be about a medium on cold. Again, if you enjoyed scents like Vitamin Relax, I think you're gonna enjoy this one. Gosh, maybe even if you enjoy like Pacific Sandalwood, I think you're gonna love this. This one needs to come, you know, to be able to add, you know, to club or to, you know, stock up on. This bar is everything. I would say this is probably my favorite bar that I've smelled this entire year. This is fantastic. So yes, Sunset Drift, amazing. So you guys, that is it. That is March's whiff box. Overall, I think it's a pretty respectable whiff box. Definitely my favorite thing is Sunset Drift. Everything else is just kind of okay, but this, I needed to smell it and I'm so glad. Worth every penny for this whiff box. So thank you so much. Leave a comment below if you picked up this whiff box or if you plan on picking it up. And do you agree with me that if Scentsy is gonna put an exclusive bar in the whiff box, they should make it able to add to Scentsy Club, just so people who love it can get it again. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.